You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these. Name the name of these thermal bath in the capital city of Hungary. If you want to learn how to say other useful Hungarian vocabulary in names of different places, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. Széchenyi. This is your Hungarian pronunciation. Széchenyi. Széchenyi Thermal Bath. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.